So that's the HD webcam we bought, and it's for the live auctions on the-saleroom.com. So from now on, from next sale and from thenceforward, instead of just hearing the audio for the sale, you'll also see our ugly faces. So we'll look forward to that next sale. But as per Alan Peace's request on one of the previous videos, I made a short film about the life of a lot through the sale. So here it is.
This looks like the place. Hello.
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 We've just bought some junk for you to look at.
Don't call it junk.
Don't worry. In our profession, they always say one person's junk is another's treasure. So let's unbox and have a look at what you've got. Yeah, so interesting collection of items there. The pottery, china, and metalwares and wooden items we'll probably just sell as one lot. I like the old photograph album, so that'll go as another lot. But what is nice and interesting is this little Coronet midget camera. Where did that come from?
And my grandfather, he was into photography quite a big way.
Wow. Well, these were made in the 1930s by obviously the Coronet company, a Birmingham manufacturer, and they were sold as little novelties. They only take 16mm film, so at the time they were marketed as the world's smallest camera, and it's even got this lovely Art Deco font on there. But a real good collector's piece. I mean, this one in green, it's not a rare one, but it's fairly uncommon. We in fact only sold one last week, a brown one. That made £70. Because you've got the case, which is original, they were all colour-coded to the cases. You even 3 lots of film there, which is great. I think that one will probably make £100 to £200.
That's
Good.
pretty impressive,
That's
isn't
good,
it?
isn't it? That'd be nice for your granddad, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Now it's a shame you don't have the blue case, because that one is really rare.
Oh.
But that's what's wonderful about these. They were made, I think, in 6 or 7 colours, so collectors like to get the whole set. So I think we'll have a popular item on the sale day.
Oh, brilliant. There, I told you.
Well done.
I think it'd be really interesting to maybe come to the sale. When would that be?
Oh, they'll be sold on this Sunday, and we start at 10 o'clock, so you're more than welcome to come along.
Oh, I'd like to do that. It'd be nice to see what
Yes,
what it fetches. Yeah.
£75 and selling. £444 now is the rare 1930s Coronet midget green Bakelite camera, 16mm camera. Bids online 100. My bid's at 110, 120 with you online, 130, 140. At 130 with me, 140 with you, 140, 150. 150 we've got, 160 with you. Online £150, 160 online. 2 internet bidders looking for 170. Any advance in the room are at 160 online. And selling, if you're all through, £160 and away. Lot 445, 10 carat white gold dress ring. Hope you liked that. That was a lot of fun to make. And remember, that's just one lot, so all those processes have to be done about 600 times to get a full sale together. So that estimate was good, so 1 out of 3. So if you remember last week we did the Japan Bureau and the motorbikes in the sale preview, so let's see how that went.
Lot 606 is the Ebonite Chinoiserie Bureau with fitted interior. Let's see, £80 for it, 80 to start.
Let's try and at bottom estimate.
£80 start, 50 then if you like. £50, let's see, 40 then if you must. Shan't go any lower, £40 start.
40
40
like
with the
winning from
internet,
treacle.
45 let's see, it's here to sell. 55, 60 with you. 2 internet bidders were at 75,
Steadily
80
dragging
with
it
you.
up.
80 bid, 85, 90 let's see. Online £85 to give a 90. All done and sure then with the internet at £85 if you're all through. Internet bid.
So just scraped through onto the bottom estimate. That's really disappointing, but that's, as I said last time, sign of the times with furniture. So surely the wish list item, the piece in the sale that had the most watches, surely that's going to fare a bit better. Let's have a look.
143 French
The various is on the
barn
gavel.
spares or repair, vintage
There's an ant's
Motobecan
head
single
scarf in his
cylinder
pocket.
motorcycle along with a similar moped lacking its engine. Bid quite a lot of interest on the book. Internets overruled those. We're at 360 online. Looking for 380. Next at
Big start
360,
already.
380 can we see?
Over our estimate.
360, 380, 400, 420. We're at 400 looking for 420. Any further interest? The internet's at 400. Need 420 to top. We're all through now. 400 and selling. Internet, thank you.
400 then, real good price, and it was actually the top selling lot of the day. So we'll see you next week for another sale preview, and don't forget next sale will be on the webcam, so look out for us if you've been in live. Please subscribe down below.